Here is the Desiccant dehumidifier, SDC-300M. The process airflow 320 cubic meters per hour. It's process air inlet, and this is process air outlet. So please connect the process air inlet and outlet to the loom. Then the wet air will go inside the inlet, and the dry air will go out from the outlet, sending to the loom. Here is the reactive air inlet, connecting the reactive air inlet to the outside loom. The outdoor dry air will go inside from this reactive air inlet, and releasing the wet air from the reactive outlet to the outside loom. This is a humidity sensor to check the loom humidity. Power switch for automatic working or non-stop working. You can see here showing manual and auto on the switch.